Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. Anyway, let's get into it. We are making a healthy peppermint mocha latte. First step, take a half a cup of boiling water and pour it into your cup. Then add in your peppermint tea bag. Now you're going to take that peppermint tea and pour it into your blender. Then add a tiny bit of water into your cup and dissolve your coffee. Now take half of a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and pour that into your blender. Now add in your vanilla. Followed by a dash of cinnamon. Now use your sweetener of choice. Today I'm using the Lakanto golden sugar, but you can use whatever you want. You can use honey, maple syrup, whatever you like. Now these last two ingredients are totally optional. I like to add MCT oil, and also collagen peptides. Now warm up some milk and throw it into your blender as well. Today I'm using my homemade cashew milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. If you want that recipe though, it's down in the description below, along with my hemp seed milk and my coconut milk. Now blend it all up. And done! Here we have a peppermint mocha latte. Let's try it. Wow, it tastes amazing. You have that pepperminty taste, you've got the chocolate. It's honestly definitely a coffee that you need to drink in the holiday season. It is delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.